Hello viewers, today I'll show you a famous Indian heritage recipe called First Class Railway Mutton Curry. It was served in the first class railway carriages and restrooms of the Indian Railways during the British Raj. Here I have 1 kg of boned mutton or goat meat. Boned mutton is necessary for this recipe as it adds extra flavor to the dish. I will add coarsely ground ginger and garlic paste into the mutton, followed by 3 heaped tablespoons of thick yogurt or dahi, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder, and some salt. Now I am going to mix everything into the meat well. You can use a spoon or your hands for this job, and then I am going to let the meat marinate for at least 4 hours. Here I have 1 large red onion finely sliced, 400 grams of chopped canned tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of cashew nut or kaju powder, 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, turmeric and red chili powder, 2 star anise, 2 black cardamom, some cloves and cinnamon. Heat some oil in a heavy cast iron pot and then add the onions into the pot. Fry the onions on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring the pot and breaking the onions up, and then add the whole spices into the pot. Give the pot a stir and then add the marinated mutton into the pot. Fry the mutton well for at least 7 to 8 minutes. You need to keep sure that you stir the pot while you are frying the mutton. Then add the powdered spices into the pot. Blend the spices in. Then add the tomatoes to the pot. And fry on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the cashew nut or kaju powder into the pot and mix it in well. Then add enough water to cover and cook the meat. Give the pot a stir and scrape off the sides and the bottom of the pot. Cover the pot and cook on low flame for at least 1 hour or till the meat is tender. After an hour, take the lid off to see if the mutton is cooked, and it is. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of thick coconut milk into the pot and stir it in. Then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder into the pot and stir it in as well. And our delicious first class railway mutton curry is ready to be served. Let's plate it up. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. This railway mutton curry goes very well with rice, chapatis, parathas and even idlis. Give this heritage recipe a try and you will love it. Subscribe to my channel The Omnivore Indian for more such delicious recipes. Click the bell icon for notifications. Enjoy!